Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see experiment number 15, title Analysis of Minor Constituents of Foods. Under that, exercise number 3, determination of iron. Today our practical's aim is to determine the content of iron. Theory: the iron in foods is determined by converting the iron to ferric form using oxidizing agents like potassium persulfate or hydrogen peroxide and treating thereafter with potassium thiocyanate to form the red ferric cyanate, which is measured colorimetrically at 480 millimeters. Coming to reagents required for performing this practical: first, concentrated H2SO4, which should be iron free. Second, saturated potassium persulfate solution. For that, shake 7 to 8 grams of reagent grade iron free potassium persulfate with 100 ml of water in a glass toppered bottle. Then dissolve excess settles to the bottom and compensate for loss by decomposition. Shake briefly before using. Keep reagents in the refrigerator. 3 normal potassium thiocyanate KSCN solution. Dissolve 146 grams of reagent grade potassium thiocyanate in water and dilute to 500 ml. Filter if turbid. Add 20 ml of pure acetone to improve the keeping quality. Standard iron solution: dissolve 0.702 grams of reagent grade crystalline ferrous ammonium sulfate in 100 ml of water. Add 5 ml concentrated H2SO4, warm slightly and add concentrated KMnO4 solution drop by drop. 1 drop produces a permanent color. Rinse with water and make up to volume. This solution contains 0.1 mg of ferric iron per ml and is stable indefinitely. Procedure: use the ash solution of the sample prepared by dry ashing for color development into 3 separate stoppered measuring cylinders. Pipette the solution as given below. Standard solution: sample solution, water, concentrated H2SO4, potassium persulfate, potassium thiocyanate. These are the different reagents which we are going to use. In blank there will be no standard and no sample even. Water will be 5 ml, concentrated H2SO4 0.5 ml, potassium persulfate 1 ml, potassium thiocyanate 2 ml. Standard 1 ml standard, no sample. Remaining the total volume should be 4 by because we are taking standard 1 ml. Remaining 3 components will be 0.5, 1, 2 respectively. Sample, there will be no standard, directly sample 5 ml, so no water even. 0.5 ml, remaining 3 components 0.5, 1, 2 ml respectively. In each of the above cases, make up the volume to 15 ml with water. Measure the color at 480 nanometers, setting the blank at 100% transmission. Calculations: read the iron content from the calibration curve. So, likewise, we can measure the amount of iron content present in the sample, and it is much required because iron is the major micronutrient which is required for each and every person on daily basis because it is component of blood. Thank you for your patience listening.